How to get paid on time. Time is money, we all know that. But if you're an entrepreneur, you need to set aside time to make sure you get your money. It's no fun chasing payments and constantly juggling your cash flow. The best businesses seamlessly do the work, send the invoices and get paid on time. Here are my 7 hacks to make sure you do too. 1. First things first. Don't wait to be paid. There's nothing more frustrating in business than chasing late payments. Ask for a deposit or retainer first before you even start the work. 2. Be organised. Okay, this is going to sound dull, but it's essential. Take time to get on top of your accounts. Set aside a specific slot each week to raise and send invoices, and if necessary, chase any outstanding ones. Keep on top of who has paid you and when. Make sure your invoices are detailed as possible. Clients don't like surprises. So, before you even start the job, give a quote or a ballpark figure. If it becomes clear that this is going to change, let the client know. Don't hit them with an invoice that's double the original figure. 3. Paper trail. Go paperless, use the cloud. There's a lot of different software options, apps and programs that help you with invoicing. If you've always done manual invoices, it can be daunting, but it's a more effective way of working. 4. Payment options. Think about how easy you can make it for clients to pay you. Offer them a range of options like bank transfer, credit card, PayPal, or using a digital wallet. The more options, the more likely there will be one that suits them. Think about payment terms too. Offer incentives for early payment. Maybe a 5% discount if they pay within 5 days. Likewise, don't hesitate to impose penalties for late payment. The key is making sure clients know this before you impose them. 5. Don't be late. The unfortunate reality is that a lot of businesses pay late, so it's safe to assume that you will be paid late. On average, most invoices are paid a whopping 2 weeks late. You can't change that, but you can set your payment terms accordingly. For example, give clients a week to pay if you want to be paid within 3 weeks. 6. Good manners. Dealing with people who pay late can really test even the most laid-back entrepreneur. It's cheeky and infuriating. However, stay calm and polite while sticking up for yourself. Acknowledge an early or an on-time payment with a thank you. Remember what your mother used to say, good manners cost nothing and promote a positive image of your business. 7. Pay someone to chase payments. As soon as your business is big enough, delegate the responsibility of invoicing. It's a really important part of running a business, especially in the early days when you want your cash flow to be as smooth as possible. But if you're bogged down with invoices, payments and chasing money you're owed, your eye is taken off the ball in other areas. I hope these tips will help you in the future, and don't worry, the only thing you owe me for the advice is a debt of gratitude. If you really want to thank me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think, and don't miss next week's 7 hacks.